Hi everyone! On this episode of Getting Real with the Realtor, I am here at this wonderful home. It has a lot of Japanese, Asian influence, and it looks like that emoji, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like that emoji? Here, I'll link it right here. And it just came on the market, and you know, one of the perks of being a realtor is that I get to see some really cool homes. So follow me on this exclusive tour. So as you can see, the interior, it's just so beautiful, but it's, you know, more on the modern side. The backyard, it's really cool. Let me show you. Check out these bamboos. Some chairs over there. Doors. Here we have another bridge. And we have like a Japanese soaking tub. Let me show you. It's still hot. Design goal is definitely achieved here. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed the tour of this whimsical home, and if it's not your style, that's okay. Hit that like button anyway, and I will do some more tours like these in the future. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you very soon.